Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can now gift skins to your friends on Valorant. I think you can only gift the ones that are the bundle ones in this section here. You cannot gift these ones. I'm not sure. I don't think you can, but if you want to gift this to your friend or to me, just kidding, select it and there will be a gift button and you can just gift item or bundle. So you can just gift the buddy only if you want to. You can give the whole bundle or you can just gift this skin. So select gift and then select player. You need to be friends with them for more than a week, I think. I don't remember. You're just going to select the person. I'm just going to randomly select this. And then you're going to select next. And then you're just going to buy the VP and stuff like that. You can only give friends if they're in the same server as you. You can only give friends that have been friends with you for more than a week, I think. And you can only gift if you're over the level 15. So that is how you can gift bundle skins on Valorant. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!